Uh, kinda. I mean, you know. But today I'm going to be starting a series where I will attempt to explain how the Dolphin editor works so that you can get better at making Dolphin maps, essentially. That was a cringy as fuck intro, but here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna open Dolphin and then select the main menu. You want to go down to the third option, editor, then up to here, editor. Now it's worth noting that you can input workshop map, that's later, and then importer is to import any assets that you make. Yeah, this part I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to ignore that. So basically, okay, and then you can name it. I've already made a couple maps, but I never really posted many. But yeah, so basically, what you can do is go up to here, make a map. I'm just gonna name it tutorial map. You don't even need to do this part because when you upload it, it won't have this. But this is just the name in the editor, and you can actually edit together. And then this map is just like the ground type. We're gonna keep it a grass one, but you have Winterland, which is gonna be like all snowy. Graveyard, which is like kind of this like spooky. It's also inline, but I think Graveyard is a lot more gray. I think I'm not sure. Pirate's Cove is pirate themed, obviously, and then Jade Temple is sort of like the grassy, but more Chinese looking. So yeah, once you're in here, you can use the mouse to look around. Apologize. You can use tab to open up the menu to get items and such. You can press pause to view options, etc. But you go ahead and just move like around here, etc. So you can click on any of them and then it'll kind of show up. Now you can drag it. You don't even need to like click and drag. You can just move around the mouse and it'll do this. How to rotate it in this one? You can rotate it once it's placed down, but you can also just rotate it here. I don't know if you can rotate it like up or down, but you can rotate it like this. So with the scroll wheel, you can rotate it around 360 that direction, and so you can do the opposite. So and then scrolling it down will move it that direction. You can also press Ctrl to go down and space to go up, just like in a straight line. Yeah. So let's go down. Wait. Oh, you can also scale up. I didn't realize. I didn't even know that. I actually did not know that, but you can like scale it up as well. So you can scale it like really big PP energy. But I'm gonna do like a normalish size, like maybe like that. And then to place it down, all you have to do is just click, and now you can click on it again to change to this. Now, what they don't tell you, or I don't think they tell you, is now you can so you can drag it up using this arrow. You can drag it to the side using this arrow. You can drag it this way. There. You can also holy. But yeah, you can. What they don't tell you is that you can press F to have your mouse out, and then basically you can just have your mouse out. So you can, that's like kind of how you tab out, and then you can press F to put it back. This actually helps me when I'm creating. Oh yeah, you can also right click to go back, or you can just press F again. Either way, but yeah, I think you can also like drag that to just. But only. Okay. So anyway, you can press F. You can change the name. Just click. Oh, I just clicked on it. Oh, I just can't change the name there. You can basically change the position, anything you really want here. You can change the rotation, which, yeah, that's cool. You can also change the scale, which is right now set to this. So basically you can just click on these. So yeah, basically you can just click to change the size, so you can change it to 111. Nice. It's pretty much the normal size anyway. You can also right click or press escape to exit this editing screen on there. And then if you right click on this, you can change up on the side here. So like if I sign a zoom in on it, so this little part my mouse is. I don't even know if my mouse shows on the video, but you see that little part there. You can like change it on either side. But I think that's the default. You can also change the theme. So like Winterland, Mines, Graveyard, Pirates, Cove. Now it doesn't actually show on here, but if you change it, there you do see below that there's like other types of things. So there's like icy, which is slippery, and then you like mines and shit. But what that actually does, the top one it doesn't show, but you see it changes this. That's pretty cool. So you can do that as well. What else do I want to explain in this video? Try to make this. Oh my. You can also go into like here. You can place on goals and shit. You can also have like inputted assets. No. If you go to inputted assets, it'll kind of do that for a bit. Yeah, I imported something, but I'm not gonna use that in this tutorial. There's also user content, which I think is just other kind of wacky shit in there. We also have blueprints, which I don't have any. And there's like gameplay items. There's like hole spawn and all this. I might explain like most of this, the ones that I know how to use. That's probably in like a later video. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Oh, because I right clicked on the thing. Didn't think that was possible. You know, so like lighting and effects and shit. Yeah, I don't really mess with some of this, but I might. Yeah, there's also that. So that's such kind of a neat way. This site obstruction. You can actually use that to hide events, basically. So you can just like kind of pop this somewhere and then put an event inside of it. An event, by the way, is the event. These motherfuckers, and they can do quite a bit. So yeah. So yeah, there's all sorts of shit. You can even like landscape and stuff. But yeah, might be all for the basics of movement and shit, and like placing down. It's kind of like the basic, like the very basic shit. I haven't actually explained some of the hotkeys for this. Okay, so you go your basement, change it. So if you press W, if you press E, it does rotation, and then R is scale. I don't think there's another one. Yeah, and then Q can go back to just plain movement. So you can rotate it around like this, and then you can rotate it around. You can like, scale it up, etc. So you can like have a bead rotate it a bit. So like like that, and then you can right click like that and see your creation. So there you go. It's pretty much the basics of movement, I think, and placing and to actually like place down things that you want to place down. I think the next place the cool shit that you can do, mostly gameplay and goals. Some of the like the weird things that you can do with it. Yeah, I think this is all of this. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you want more. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit.